Hello my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome back. If you're already here with me, how have you been doing? So today we're going to make the easiest bread in the whole universe because it is, hello. It's 3 minutes from start to finish and we're not going to use an oven. How about that? We're going to use either a skillet or a microwave. Hello, a microwave. Your answers have been, your prayers have been answered, and also gluten-free, forgot to mention. You're going to use any container, any plate that it can go into your microwave. I like to use something like that it already resembles a bread because it's already perfect for sandwich. So, but if you want to make it in a skillet and round, so it's up to you. It's just a shape, but the taste is amazing. And we're going to use oatmeal flour for that. So, in the container that you're going to make your bread, you're going to mix everything together, okay? So we're going to add the oatmeal flour. Now you just put it in your microwave for 2 minutes and you're good to go, or you can put it in your skillet in a low heat and then you flip it halfway through and you're good to go, and then you have your bread. You can also make a grilled cheese out of that. So easy, so simple. And here it is, lunch is fixed. Just with the side of salad, if you have it, and a little bit of hummus, and you're good to go throughout all day. It will keep you up all day. You're not gonna have cravings because of the oats, because it releases the sugar gradually as you need it through the day, and also because it fights cholesterol. So it literally, like I said before, it punches the cholesterol away in your bloodstream, and it's the right amount of carbs. So what's not to like? So I hope you make it. I make all the time because it's so easy, and I prefer that over bread actually. And if you make it, let me know in the comments below. And also let me know in the comments below, what is your go-to snack that you prefer? Mine is either that or hummus with carrots. I absolutely adore it. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this super easy yet super interesting and nice recipe. I love it. And I see you next time. Don't forget, be kind to each other, be patient. I know we're gonna feel tempted to lose it sometimes. Please, let's try not to. We're gonna feel very proud of ourselves if we manage to keep it together at the end, instead of regretting something that we might have said or done that is gonna harm somebody or ourselves. So let's try not to. And I am here for you. All my communities are available for you guys. If you want to keep in touch, anything, if you need me, I'm here. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.